Do you know that you can have a good food without breaking the bank? It's called food on a budget. Hello sweet fingers lovers, it's your favorite girl again, Son. And on today's episode, I'm going to teach you how to make your easy and delicious fried rice.
That's my son. These are the ingredients you need to make your fried rice: your green pepper, your onion, your red pepper, carrot, your pea, spring onions, oil, your rice, and also your fried rice spice. In a pot, you go in with your oil. Your oil has to be to the quantity of your desire. Then after that, you go in with your grated onion and allow your onion to saute for a bit. After that, you go in with your bay leaf and then you mix together. Then after that, you're going to go in with your washed rice.
After that, you put some fried rice spice or a little bit of curry, then you mix together.
Do not forget to do this on a medium heat. Make sure your heat is not too high so you don't have a burnt rice. After mixing together, allow all ingredients to incorporate together. Then you go in with a little bit of water or your stock, preferably chicken stock. But if you don't have that, water is fine, because right now I'm using water since we're having a meal on a budget. Then I'm just going to mix together. One of the most important thing you need to understand is your rice. I'm using a Nigerian rice, and this rice takes about 30 to 35 minutes before it gets cooked. So just in case you're using a different rice, make sure you read the instruction on the back of the rice so you don't have a different result like I am. So after that, you're just going to go in with your fresh peas, because peas takes time to cook. And after that, you go in with a little bit of seasoning cube and also a little bit of salt. Then we're just going to allow this to boil on a medium heat for just 15 minutes. After that, I opened and I stirred together. Then I'm going to go in with my grated pepper. Then I'm going to mix together to make sure my pepper is well spread so it doesn't stay stick to one side. And I'm just going to cover this and allow it to boil again. Then after another 10 minutes, this is what we have. Our rice is not fully cooked, but it's almost ready. So I'm just going to mix together and I test this to make sure that the taste is according to what I want. Though it's a bit hard, so we're just going to allow this to steam on a low heat. Then I'm just going to cover this with my foil paper. Then I'm just going to allow it to boil on low heat for just another 15 minutes. And after that, this is what we have. Then I'm going in with my green pepper, then also my diced carrots. And I'm also going in with my spring onion, because these are the ingredients we'll use since we're all on a budget. And I'm going to mix together. We're going to mix this properly until all ingredients is properly and well combined together. This is going to take some time. It took me about 2 to 3 minutes for me to mix this properly, and you just have to be careful so you don't break your rice. And I'm just going to cover this and allow this to steam for just 2 minutes, and our rice is ready. Time for us to serve this. So this is what a fried rice on a budget looks like. To be honest, I didn't spend more than 1,500 naira preparing this. Aside the rice that I have at home, I just bought my green pepper, my green pea, my carrots, and my spring onion, and I served this with rice. So tell me, my sweet fingers love,
Will you be recreating these videos? Please. Thank you for watching. Can you please watch other of my mommy's videos? Tell my mommy how she did in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.